Do the right thing, I mean, to me, is just, it encompasses all of it, really. Empathy, honesty, integrity, working for the best interest for others, whether it's, communication to a customer, or it's how they treat a team member, or even worse, the quality of a repair. People entrust us to repair their cars back to pre-accident condition. And if we take shortcuts, or we don't repair according to the manufacturer guidelines, that's a scary thing. So it's a huge responsibility, and something that I don't take lightly, and I don't expect my team to take it lightly. And it's not until you put yourself into the shoes of the customer that maybe hasn't had this experience in several years, 7, 8 years from the last time they had an accident, and it's a scary time for them, a scary time for their family. The cars that have changed so much, and is my car repairable? Is it not? So there's a lot of things going through the customer's head, and for us to put the customer at ease during that is very important. And it's important that we communicate honestly with our customers during that. Even having those, even if it's not a fun conversation to have, you have to have it, and you want to be honest with it. As a leader, if you are setting clear expectations for one of your team members and holding them accountable for the results, and for the sole purpose to help them succeed, that's always doing the right thing. And it's not about making mistakes. We all make mistakes, but it's about what you do after you make a mistake. You go back and you make it right, and you learn from it. So those are important factors. We're put in situations every day that are, where our actions and our decisions affect a lot of people. It affects our customer, it affects our teammates, our clients, and all of our stakeholders. So, if I ever get in a difficult situation that the answer isn't clear, I always resort back to what's the right thing to do. Removing your emotion, removing any ego you have. If if you made an incorrect decision, you look at it objectively, and you listen to that voice in your head, and the answer's there.